So today I wanted to talk about what I learned, which are the parts of speech in the Korean language. So what are parts of speech? Parts of speech are the categories or types of words based on the role they play in a sentence. Okay, think of a sentence like a theme, and each word is a player, and each player has a job like naming, describing, acting, connecting, or expressing feelings. So, parts of speech is like word types that tell you what job a word does in a sentence. Now, in the Korean language, I learned that there are 10 main parts of speech in Korean grammar. By the way, if you're wondering where I took my lessons, I actually had some courses that I saw, some free courses that I saw on Google Chrome. Yeah, and I compiled them together and just, yeah, made a note from that. I made a note on my tab. I usually make a note on my tab first, and I write it out in my physical notes. So there are 10 main parts of speech in Korean grammar. Yeah, the first one is noun, and the the Korean name is Myeongsa. Myeongsa. And then the second one is pronoun. Yeah, pronoun. And the name is Tae Myeongsa. Tae Myeongsa. And the third one is numeral. And the Korean name is Susa. You see what I'm doing? I'm at a point where I do not want to use romanization to read Hangul anymore, so I did not write out the romanized version. I'm just going to read the Hangul because yeah. And the fourth one is the verb, which is the Sa. Yeah, Sa. And then the next one, which is the fifth one, is chatty, and that is the Hyang Hyang Hang Sa. Hyang Sa. Hyang Sa. Yeah. Hyang Sa. Let's see. Yes. Yeah. Hyang Sa. Which is the adjectives. And the next one is the terminal, which is Kwang Hyang Sa. Kwang Hyang Sa is the determinant. But you forgive my pronunciation, yeah. And the next one is the adverb, which is the pusa. Yeah, pusa. Pusa is adverb. Okay. Seventh, which is the seventh one, and the eighth one is particle. Which is chosa. Chosa is particle, and then the ninth one is interjection, which is kamtansa. And then the last one, can you see that the last one is handing, and this is homie, yeah, handing. So in subsequent videos, as I keep learning, I'll share probably talk about two parts of speech in each videos or one, but yeah, I just wanted to share that. Hoping someone finds it helpful. and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.